Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to text message on an iPhone. To begin, locate and tap the Messages app icon on your home screen. It looks like a green speech bubble. Next, tap the new message icon, which is a square with a pencil in the top right corner. Then, simply type the recipient's name or phone number into the To field. This gets you ready to compose your first text. Once you've selected your recipient, you can start typing your message in the text field at the bottom. To add some fun, tap the emoji icon to insert an emoji, or use the plus icon to attach photos, videos, or other files. When your message is ready, simply tap the blue send arrow. Your message will then be delivered to your contact. Beyond basic texts, iPhones offer cool features. You can react to any message by long pressing the message bubble and selecting an emoji. For quick voice notes, hold down the microphone icon to record and send an audio message. Also, try iMessage effects by long pressing the send button. You can choose from options like slam or invisible ink to add extra flair. Keeping your conversations organized is simple. Swipe left on any conversation in your list to quickly delete it or pin it to the top for easy access. If a chat is too active, tap the contact's name at the top of the conversation, then toggle Hide Alerts to mute notifications. Also, for those who love to read, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. It's perfect for reading anywhere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.